Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'll share with you guys another project called Edge Video AI. So with the Edge Video AI, you can experience total immersive entertainment with the Edge Video's QR-powered interactive content and real-time AI where you can transform passive viewing into a rewarding experience. So as you can see, you can already connect your wallet through the Edge Video website. So scroll down here guys on their website and I'll show you a lot more on what the Edge Video can do. So you can see here the grappling network. So you can already claim public username by connecting your wallet. And you can also see here guys the leaderboard where you can see the different points of different players or users of this application. So if you check here, so on the engage, so a content that feels alive. So Edge Video's QR overlay beams interactive games and challenges straight through your fast channel streams. So you can engage, entertain, and reward through the Edge ecosystem. So you can turn your passive viewers into active participants using two ways. So we have interactive games and through community. So for interactive games, viewers play along with the action, compete with others, and earn great prizes watching their favorite streams. And with community, you can build communities that grow your channel organically through Edge Video's social gaming modules. So you'll just need to scan the in-stream guys on your mobile phone camera to start playing with the Edge Video. So if we check here, what's the benefits of using Edge Video? So you can watch and you can shop through the AI-powered shopping for your stream that viewers can see, browse, and access without missing a minute. So it's also powered by AI guys for you to get what you want. And also guys, it will give you token for every time that you're using this application. So you can collect points and redeem them for fast tokens. So you can see guys the different products that you can buy through your points. So you can see Nike training shorts, AG1 supplements, and Super Bowl tickets for only 345 points. Okay, so next guys, we have entertain. So entertainment engage, where audiences want more from their content and you can give it to them. So active viewers are far more likely to tune in, stay tuned in, and organically build your channel and revenues. So as you can see guys, this one does not have fees, so the revenue sharing model without setup or monthly fees. And it's powered by QR guys. It seamlessly integrates all Edge benefits directly into your stream. Okay, so scroll down here. So one QR code, unlimited possibilities. So through Edge Video's interactive ecosystem, you can access them through QR overlays that delivers Edge's entire suite of products directly into your stream. So no mess and no fuss. So as you can see here, it's AI-driven shopping. So Edge AI delivers personalized shopping, recommendations based on view activity, building outsized revenues for your streaming operations, and it's also a gateway to Web3 where it introduces your viewers to the joy of Web3 reward systems. So you can help them take the next step with the fast token. And lastly guys, they have the Touch Every Edge where you can grow your community across Kick, Twitch, Dingo, and other TV channels. So you can transform your stream now, you can engage, interact, and shop with the Edge Video. So what's great with Edge Video guys is you can create your own community, you can build your community, and you can also sell products that you want for your stream. So let's scroll down here. So we can see here the fast track into Web3. So you can expose your audience to tokenized entertainment where viewers earn points watching and interacting with content that they can convert into fast token. So ownership at the Edge, viewers use fast to interact with the Edge ecosystem and beyond. So you can game, stake, refer, tip, and trade fast token. And lastly guys, we have collaborative economics, so where the fast token earns protocol revenue, creating a broad network of shared ownership economies across all fast channels. So you can stay updated with the Edge Video News using their newsletter. So you'll just need to put your email here and click on submit. So you can transform your stream today so you can enjoy significant user engagement increase, organic community growth, and revenue boost with the Edge Video. So if we check here guys, the different comments or posts regarding Edge Video. So for example, one by Jeffrey Heislet. So a chairman, C-suite, network primetime television, and podcast host, former CMO of Kodak. So Edge Video's AI is flipping the script on streaming, turning your screen time into shopping time. So they're trying to do guys an interactive like TikTok application, but it uses crypto instead of local currency. So let's proceed. So now watching TV also means you can shop directly from your couch, opening up cool new earning avenues for creators and brands. So this is what I've been telling you guys. So it's like making your lazy TV time a shopping adventure. So for example, let's try this one from Alex Duca, Director, Citigroup, Advisor and Board Member, former Managing Director. So Edge Video's new AI-powered interactive TV is changing the game, turning passive watching into an engaging experience. It's all about getting viewers involved, boosting their happiness and loyalty. Edge Video is at the forefront, with AI making TV way more interactive and fun. So that's it guys. So let's scroll down here so you can get in touch fast. And you can also see here guys their office and their support email. So they're currently at 548 Market Street, San Francisco, California. So next, I'll show you guys their white paper so you can get more familiar with their tokenomics and about Edge Video. So let's go to about Edge Video. So what is Edge Video? So users who scan Edge QR instantly plug into ancillary interactive content based directly upon the action happening on screen. Any fast channel can overlay Edge Video QR near instantly and begin to reap the benefits. So Edge Video uses automatic speech recognition or ASR and multimodal large language models or MLLMs, which is the AI part. So this is what they're using for their AI alongside a dual token economy. Edge Video AI offers a customized, rewarding, and novel way to engage with content in a way that never gets old or stale and revitalizes a flagging fast sector for new ways to motivate their viewers. So they also have here guys the team, so you can check these guys out. I'll just put it on the description box below so you can see here. So this is their team. We have here the CEOs, CTO, COO, and business development and technical operator. So next is for the tokenomics. So you can check here. So this is the virtual points. So how will you get virtual points? So virtual points are non-transferable and cannot be exchanged for fiat, nor can they be bought on exchanges. They are only available within the Edge ecosystem itself through engagement. So users earn virtual points for playing quizzes. So you can also earn virtual points for daily check-ins by scanning the QR every 24 hours. You can earn points for liking or disliking the product shown to the AI. Cap conversion of virtual points to fast token, an incentive to collect virtual points and convert to fast token. So users lock virtual points in multiplayer game. Multiplayer games are taxed and tax amount is burned. So they have also here guys the fast token. This is the transferable and tradable crypto asset that is fully composable with the Web3 ecosystem. So for you to get fast token guys, you'll just need to earn virtual points and exchange it for the fast token. Okay, so fast is used to rent movies, watch ad-free or access PPV or pay-per-view, event purchases. Fast can be spent directly on e-commerce. Streamers and fast channels can buy fast to promote giveaways among their viewers. And when the rewards crunch is getting low, it will be supplemented with bought-back tokens. So virtual points to fast token conversion mechanism. So every month, a portion of fast tokens will be available for conversion from the virtual points that you will earn from watching on Edge Video AI. So that's it guys for this video. And if you guys want to learn more regarding Edge Video AI, you can follow them on their social networks such as Twitter, Discord, Telegram, and Medium. And also guys, always remember that you should do your own research first before you invest in any of the projects that I share with you. So thanks again guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.